Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now click Got it and tap at the three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here you need to choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!